Welcome to the funnel view. This is your fully integrated CRM pipeline within Hypersales. Here, you can visually track every sales opportunity across stages like lead, contacted, qualified, proposals made, won, and lost in real time. It helps you monitor deal progress and conversion rates seamlessly. To create a new deal, click the plus button in the upper right corner. Next, select your target client from the list and choose the specific product or subscription plan for this deal. Under Dealer, assign the specific AI or human agent responsible for managing this lead. Add any important contextual notes below, then click Save Deal to place it into your active pipeline. Your deal now appears in the lead column. You can easily drag deals between stages, moving them to contacted, qualified, proposals made, won, or lost. Crucially, your autonomous agents can also advance deals automatically, according to your custom-defined rules. This simple, intuitive system ensures complete visibility over your sales pipeline,